Welcome to the channel. If you're dealing with a stupid manager, a stupid coworker, a girl who always takes you as a joke, a friend who doesn't take you seriously, or even a family member who doesn't show you the respect you deserve, fear not. I'll give you 8 secrets to make anyone respect you instantly. These tips will help you establish boundaries and earn the respect you deserve. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to make someone respect you. So pay close attention and watch the video completely, otherwise close the video and watch some prank videos and waste your time, because this video is not for stupid people. Subscribe to How Talks. If you really want to grow up and improve your life to the next level, become financially free, make anyone respect you, become stronger, become the person that everyone likes, or attract the woman you love and get the girl. So let's start. Number 1, be confident. Confidence is key when it comes to earning respect. When you believe in yourself and your abilities, others are more likely to believe in you as well. Stand tall, make eye contact, and speak with conviction. Always practice good hygiene, and make sure your clothes are neat and clean. Take the time to be well groomed. Keep your nails trimmed, shower daily, and always brush and floss your teeth. Being poorly groomed usually sends a negative message to others about your self-worth. If you don't respect yourself and your appearance, it will be very difficult to gain the respect of others. People are naturally drawn to those who exude confidence, and they're more likely to show you respect if you come across as self-assured. Stand up straight, look people directly in the eye, and speak in a steady, composed voice when in conversation. These things exude confidence, which people very much respect. Conversely, slouching, mumbling, and being afraid of eye contact communicates to others that you aren't confident in yourself. Self-confidence is respected. I want you to be a masculine and confident man. Don't lose your masculinity for the 10-minute hole. Number 2, do what you say. Consistency is key when it comes to earning respect. If you're reliable and dependable, people will see you as someone who is trustworthy and responsible. Show up on time when you are late, whether that is to an appointment, a meeting, a deadline, or responding to an email. You lose the respect of others because they feel that you don't value their time. Strive to always be punctual. When you show your peers that you respect their time by being prompt, they will respond by respecting your time and you. Meet your commitments and follow through on your promises. When you're consistent in your behavior, people will know that they can count on you and will be more likely to respect you. So always be consistent and never procrastinate. Being consistent not only helps you gain respect, but will also help you achieve your goals and dreams in your life. Number 3, be a leader. Speak warmly and engage those whom you are speaking to. Be able to speak comfortably about a wide range of topics. Avoid vulgar and poor language, as well as using words like or like to punctuate your sentences. Communication isn't just talking, it's about listening as well. Incessant talking isn't the mark of a respected person. Try to truly listen to others and be genuinely engaged so you become more trustworthy. Take a moment to think before you speak. Learn how to handle failure, accept the failure, and try to move on. Work on things that are more important in your life. Build a team and lead as a great leader. Learn to motivate people. Leadership involves achieving goals through the efforts of others. To be successful and get respect, you must be able to motivate people to pursue the vision you have set forth. If you become a good leader, then you'll get respect and value. And that's how leadership can help you get the respect you deserve. Number 4, be authentic. People can usually tell when someone is being fake or insincere, so it's important to be true to yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not in order to impress others or earn their respect. Be honest, genuine, and authentic in your interactions with others. When you're true to yourself, people will respect you for who you are. When you commit to something and then don't follow through, people see you as unreliable. Keep your promises to others and get out of the habit of making promises that you can't keep. Proving your dependability will garner respect from others. Be the person who can be counted on. Be honest and tell the truth when you don't know something. Number 5, be respectful. There's a difference between being liked and being respected. Ideally, you'll be both. Respect goes both ways, so if you want to earn someone's respect, you need to show them respect as well. Be kind and courteous. Use good manners. Be polite. Avoid interrupting or causing disturbances, and treat others the way you would like to be treated. If you disagree with someone, do so in a respectful manner, and be open to hearing their point of view. When you show respect to others, they will be more likely to show respect to you. But remember, if you always show respect to someone who doesn't know the meaning of respect, then you should stop respecting them and move on. Number 6, be assertive. Being assertive means standing up for yourself and your beliefs, while still being respectful of others. If someone is treating you unfairly or disrespectfully, it's important to speak up and assert your boundaries. Let the person know that their behavior is unacceptable, and be clear about what you expect from them. This doesn't mean you have to be aggressive or confrontational, but you should be firm in your stance. You can be kind to others without constantly having to do things for them. No one respects a pushover. You can't please everyone, nor should you try, and allowing yourself to be taken advantage of because you're nice shows others that you don't respect yourself. Establish boundaries so others know what behavior is acceptable to you. Be assertive with your choices. Being too nice can also have the undesired effect of people thinking you are fake and disingenuous. Number 7, stop apologizing. The only time you need to apologize is when you've done something wrong. Unfortunately, many people get in the habit of saying sorry almost automatically, without even thinking about it. Reserve your apologies for situations that actually call for them. Stop taking the blame for every little thing that goes wrong around you. No need to apologize for everything and any time. Know the value of yourself and always value your respect. That's how you can get respect from others. Number 8, say no more often. People often believe that taking on more projects and responsibilities will make others respect them, but that's not the case. You can't agree to every opportunity or request presented to you. Saying no shows others that you value your own time and care more about delivering quality results over quantity. The delivery of the message is just as important as the message itself. Be polite, frank, and decline with a smile. It's not personal, you just don't have the time to take on anything extra right now. Don't feel guilty about saying no when you have to. Feel good about standing up for yourself. So there you go. These are the powerful ways to make someone respect you. Remember to be confident, consistent, do what you say, be a leader, authentic, be respectful, be assertive, stop apologizing, learn to say no, and say yes to important and helpful things. If you follow these guidelines, you'll be well on your way to earning the respect you deserve. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content.